What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. I'm carrying on again with the S24 Ultra. Still got a ton of videos to get through. We've also got iPhone content coming back. We've got Pixel content coming back. We've got car content coming back as well. So stay tuned for all of that. It's all coming back. We just got to get through the S24 Ultra stuff. And I've got a ton of amazing things to show you guys. So get ready for that. I always do it every year. I always do the Samsung leather case. No matter what type of Samsung I've picked up. No matter what type of iPhone I've picked up, I always try to make sure I do the leather case that they bring out. This year is no different, and this year it says vegan leather case. Galaxy S24 Ultra designed for Samsung. Now, fun fact about this type of case, I did actually order this before the phone had even come out on Amazon. I'll give you the link, it'll be linked down below, and it's took this long to get here, and I don't know what's gone on. That's down to Amazon. I don't think I need the unboxing knife. No, I don't. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's take it out. Nothing else in the box. And there is the leather case, front and centre. Nice microfiber inner lining, leather sides. Feels nice. Buttons are plasticky. I figured they would have went without the metal buttons just to make something a bit different. Camera cutouts right there. Cutouts on the bottom for your S Pen speaker and your charge port along with your other microphone. Cutouts on the top there for your two mics on the top. Sides are nice and raised up. So we'll check that out in a second. And nothing else in this. Normally they give you like a little booklet and stuff that explains the case. No Samsung logo on the bottom. It's a bit of a disappointment. Smell test. And funnily enough, it smells like none. It doesn't even smell like leather. So compared to previous years, very, very different. It does look like it'll patina quite nice over the coming months, and I'll bring you probably an update video on this because this will probably stay with me now. There's the QR code inside. We will take that out. Made in China, wrote in the middle of the microfiber lining. Let's get rid of that so it looks nice. Now let's go ahead and slap in my S24 Ultra in the titanium grey. So let's go ahead and slap it into a leather case. This is the first leather case I think it's actually been in up to now. Everything else has been adamant fibre and various other ones. So as you can see, the camera lenses fit in really, really nice. Looks good, looks the part. Nice clicky buttons, they are nice and clicky. It does look like the sides are just ever so slightly sticking out. You have got a lip on the top and the bottom. Now I do have a screen protector on this. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see it or not, but I do have a screen protector on, and it does look like it will sit face down like so, and you won't have to worry about it. And the camera lenses are also lovely and recessed inside there, especially those ones that are really recessed. But these are recessed so you can go ahead and place it down like so. Looks really good, looks the part. Now, no MagSafe. I do wish they would have included MagSafe, because if this was MagSafe, I mean, this would probably be my go-to case. I love leather stuff, I really do. I love the likes of the Andar stuff that we've seen for the iPhone. Obviously I've got it on the MacBook, etc. It does look the part. I mean, missing the Samsung logo, so you know it's an actual Samsung case. Really nice. So let's just check wireless charge, because obviously you can't do MagSafe, but as you can see, wirelessly charges. So no issue with wireless charging through the case. So no issue with your S Pen, etc. because there's no MagSafe charging. Clipping it over to the bottom. Your charge port is nice and recessed, so is your speaker, but then your S Pen is also recessed, so you're going to need fingernails to be able to get in there and get that out. I mean, I'm pushing it with the tip of my finger, and it does go in and connect to it, but you will probably just be better off with a fingernail if you've got them. I mean, I've got little ones going at the minute, so there we go. S Pen works, nice clicky buttons. Yeah, it does look good, it does look the part. I am quite happy with that. This will be staying. It will go into the rotation of all my other cases. I will leave an Amazon link down below to where you can pick it up for yourself. It'll be my affiliate link, it won't cost you any extra, and I did pay reasonably cheap for this on Amazon. So I think that's why it took so long to come, but I paid a hell of a lot cheaper than what Samsung are charging, I'll tell you that. Click the link in the description down below, it'll take you to this case. If you like this case, let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you want to see with the S24 Ultra or the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Pixel 8 Pro, anything you guys want to see case wise, or any type of video you want to see, let me know and we will try and make it happen. For now, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on so you don't miss future upload. Playlist for the S24 Ultra will be right at the very end of this video, and I'll see you all really soon. Take care, guys.